Welcome to Climate Heroes, a series where we explore how you can help pave the road to net zero emissions. Rapid climate change is a global crisis, but the power to make a difference lies in the hands of individuals. This video will give you 4 practical steps that you can implement to lower the effects of climate change. First, let's discuss energy conservation. Daily activities like turning off lights when not in use, using energy efficient appliances, and sealing drafts around windows and doors can significantly reduce a carbon footprint. Use the link given in the comments to check your carbon footprint. Next area of importance is transportation, as it plays a major role in climate change. Choose public transportation, biking, walking, or carpooling whenever possible. This will help reduce greenhouse gas emissions from vehicles and promote cleaner air in our communities. The third crucial area is waste reduction. By practicing the 3 Rs, that is, reduce, reuse, and recycle, we can minimize the amount of waste generated and conserve valuable resources. So, ditch single use plastics and embrace reusable alternatives today. The last step on the list is nature restoration. Planting trees, supporting reforestation efforts, and protecting natural habitats not only help absorb carbon dioxide but it also enhances biodiversity and resilience to climate impacts. By taking these actions, we can all become climate heroes in our own right. Together, let's rise to the challenge of climate action and create a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come.